Welcome back to Winding Road Magazine. Before we get started with this 2017 Land Rover Discovery SE, I want to tell you about an event coming up in Wilmington, Massachusetts, APX, the Automotive Personalities Experience. You can come and visit me, Tedward, and Chris Amos at this meet. So go check the link below, buy your tickets, and come see us. But for now, let's go do a POV on this beautiful green Land Rover Discovery. See if that automatically does it. In the passenger seat, we've got Cars of Mass.
Hello.
From Instagram. Show them the glove box.
Look at this thing. Got two of those.
So that top one, when you push it,
It only opens slightly, then you open it and then it just goes back.
so it doesn't hold itself
It
down?
does not hold itself down, making it annoying.
That's kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Okay. Lesson learned.
Lesson learned.
Oh no, the thing fell off
What?
on the door.
What thing?
The cap.
I'm interested.
Where did it go?
That build quality speaks for itself.
Oh my god.
What it calls that? Yo, this thing's gone.
Is it in the driveway?
Where is it?
It's not there.
Well, where was it? Was it never there?
No, it was lost. We can't find it.
Oh, okay.
Well,
I was like, did I just drive away and
Also-
lose this thing? All right, Cars of Mass. What mode are we in right now?
we're in auto.
We're in
D.
just boring, like it does what it wants to do.
Yeah. Want to put it in S where it does what it wants to do, but S-er?
But sportier.
No, S-er.
S-er? Okay.
Yes.
Let's stick with auto for now. It's kind of weird. You got to be like really dead center on this, or else you end up turning the wheel. So you feel it push on the side,
Like push on the. Oh.
and it kind of turns the wheel because the whole thing
Oh, yeah.
is the wheel.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, because the center's not separated, it's one piece. That rear seat headrest really blocks my view 100%.
Huge.
Like, I could be getting pulled over right now and I would have no idea.
Oh, we are actually.
So that's auto, making me in S mode.
S mode?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And then I think if you pull the paddles, you'll enter like manual paddle shift mode.
You're nice and slow past the parking lot. Let's see a downshift. Not that bad.
Actually, yeah, that is pretty
That's
surprising.
Pretty legit. I was expecting a really lazy shift, but that was pretty legit. Smooth shifts. Not that I would expect anything less, but this is a really easy car to drive.
Makes sense.
I mean, it's big. There's a lot of visibility. Sans the headrest in the back, but I'm sure they can get put down. Steering is light as expected. Not bad though. It's not like tactile, but you're not wondering where the nose is pointed. Really nice bite on these brake pads. Again, we're talking about a pretty heavy vehicle, so in order to be confident, you've got to have the brakes. You might ask why I've chosen this road for this vehicle. I'm wondering the same thing. I just end up here. Let's see a little brake check. I don't know what's unsecured, but that was maybe 80%. I didn't hit ABS or anything. We're not trying to be crazy, but this slows down pretty good. I've never owned an SUV, and when I was young, all the SUVs were like kind of earlier Ford Explorers, things like that. So when I'm thinking of feeling safe or confident in one of these, it still kind of blows my mind when I drive something like this and I don't feel like it's about to roll over, or the fact that my brakes even work. That has a better turning radius than the Honda Civic Type R by a long shot. I feel like I need to do like a queen wave with this vehicle, especially with the color. It certainly rolls, squats, and dives, but it's all mechanical grip. It's got a nice. Oh, look at the dogs!
Doggo.
They are having a much better time than we are. Oh, they're out there together. Good dogs. This is like a Subaru commercial. Are you kidding me?
How did we end up filming this in a Range Rover?
I don't know, but look at them. They're so happy.
Aw. Bye, doggos.
What makes the Subaru the Subaru? This is really soft and nice. It's a pretty comfortable car. From the driver's position, clearly bigger and has a bigger stance than like an X3, and it's softer. So this is pretty luxurious, and you know, you're not paying Range Rover money, but it's still $60,000.
I can confirm it's very comfortable.
This one has about 3,000 miles on it, so I'm sure you can pick these up pre-owned on the cheap relative to their bigger brothers. I think it's pretty stylish. I think the Discovery used to look like it was the cheaper version. I think it looks pretty good now.
Yeah, especially in this color. It looks really nice.
Yeah, it's classy. And it encourages me to be smooth. I like a car that does that. I like it when you're driving something and it's not just, you're not wringing it by the neck. Sometimes it's nice to just waft along. Are there different suspension settings here? Or is this it?
I think they're mostly for off-roading, but it's in like normal road mode.
Okay, so it'll just raise it up and lower it depending on the situation. So if you lock it, you can lower it down, so that way it's easier to get in and out of.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you're off-roading, you can raise it up a little bit. Ooh.
Sorry.
Yeah, they're all off-road modes.
There's no racetrack mode in this car, sadly.
And the hill descent. Unfortunately, we're just on normal roads today, but this thing would probably be really fun to take out on a trail. Aside from the fact that this beautiful paint would probably get destroyed. Takes a lot of steering input. This is a big truck. Well, it's really not big, but it feels like it's doing everything in its power to appear smaller. I don't know. Control-wise, pretty standard fare for Land Rover, Range Rover. Can change these guys. So that puts us in grass, gravel, snow. Mud ruts, that's pretty specific. Sand. Descent, I assume. Oh, that's like...
That's for like a rock crawling.
Okay.
And I think it changes to the low range gearbox, if that even has that.
Oh. So let's see. Select low range. How do we select the low range?
Is it? No.
Select
this
low
button,
range.
Low range.
Oh, okay.
Probably has to be in park.
Oh, it has to be in neutral.
Oh.
See, we're learning. Whoa.
We're going up.
Yeah, quite a bit. It's at the front, then the rear. Okay, so now we go drive. Let's see what low range feels like. Oh, this thing could probably climb anything. We are really high off the ground. Like, that's a Trailblazer. Look where we are relative to the Trailblazer.
I can see the roof from here.
Seriously. All right, let's take it out of low. Or actually, sorry, we probably just hit auto. Now we're
Let's put it
lowering.
in neutral auto low to get it out of low again.
High range selected. Back down. You drop it.
Second time I dropped my phone in this video. I'm sorry, people listening to me drop it in binaural audio.
All right, it's. What is it doing? It's so bizarre. All right. Well, that is the Land Rover Discovery SE. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out Tedward Drives for more. Not on this car, on lots of other cars.